Om Sri Venkateshaya Namaha. Welcome to the spiritual channel, The Scientist Priest. As a welcome relief from the hectic schedule in the temple, I am in my farm, surrounded by beautiful plants, which I have selected, which I have collected from around the country. Being a botany student, I was interested in collecting the plants, different varieties, propagating them. I have a lot of flowering plants which invite the honeybees, the butterflies, the smaller birds, and I have fruit trees here for the benefit of the squirrels and other smaller animals. There are so many rare varieties of plants like hanging daturas, different varieties of bamboos. I have even a black bamboo tree and a giant bamboo tree from Assam forest. And I have a tree which produces the sacred Rudraksh also here. And I have a lot of plants which contribute their flowers to the puja, to the Lord in the temple, like ixoras, hibiscus, and so many, and some ornamental flowering plants like bougainvilleas, and the creepers with beautiful colored flowers. All these make me feel pleasant, forget all my worries, and I'm so happy to be in the middle of nature, to be one with nature. That's where a human being belonged in the past. But now things have changed. We are living in concrete jungles without any greenery. So that's why I told that this is a welcome relief for me from the hectic schedule. Going into the connection between the nature and religion. The nature is mentioned as the physical manifestation of the divine being, the God, and Goddess Lakshmi, otherwise called Shri in the religion, Agama Shastra, the manifestation of nature, and that's why she is called Mula Prakriti Rupa, that is the divine creation. So, that is the relationship between Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi, and I am in the middle of Lord's creation, which He loves and which He protects, and which He takes into Him at the end of the time dimension. So there are so many trees belonging to different families, different genera, and starting right from unicellular organisms that are in the water ponds here, like amoeba, paramecium, spirogyra, and so many members of plant kingdom, starting right from bryophyta, thallophyta, pteridophyta, the gymnosperms, the angiosperms. All these varieties are around me, making me feel very pleasant, belonging to nature, and I long for this type of relaxation quite often, if my boss permits, because I am in the service of the Lord Venkateshwara eternally, from birth to death, being born into a hereditary priest family, and he blesses me with this type of relaxation often, so that I am also feel the nature. So this is my farm, this is my paradise on earth. Om Sri Venkateshwara.